Greetings, Management 345 students. I'm going to briefly go through how to create a website from the very beginning using WordPress. In order to do this, you're going to need an email and a picture of yourself, at least for the assignment in this class. So that's all you need to get started. So let's go ahead and do that. This is the WordPress homepage. There's a Get Started, there's a Compare Plans. We're going to click on Get Started. Now, Get Started asks us a few questions, so let's go ahead and just answer them. What would you like to name your site? I'm going to name this Management 345 Demonstration Site. And my site will be about using WordPress. You saw there was a bunch of stuff that popped up there, and you can pick one of those things, but there's no need for you to actually do that. Then what's the primary use for your site? Well, in this case, we're going to say offer education, training, or mentoring. You might select showcase your portfolio. Oops, wrong one. There we go. How comfortable are you with creating a website? If you're watching this tutorial, you should probably press 1. Okay, so we go to the next step. Give your site an address. So I'm going to call this Management 345 WordPress demo. And over here, it's telling me that I can give them money. I don't want to give them money. What I want to do is I want to go down here to the first option underneath where they want me to pay things. Management 345 WordPress demo.wordpress.com, and it says free. So you just select that one. I'm not opposed to giving WordPress money. They're asking me to give them money again, right? And start with premium. That's fine, and if you want to do that, WordPress is a wonderful platform. All of my websites are on WordPress, and all of my websites are hosted on GoDaddy, and I love it to death. But this is a class assignment, and there's no need to spend a lot of money on it, or any money really, if you're not going to use it for other things. So don't worry about other things right now. Just select Start with Free. And it's going to ask email. You need an email to do this, right? So mine is going to be this is an email that I made a long time ago. And it says choose a username. It says I can't have WordPress in it. You guys won't have that problem. So I've got Management 345 demo. Now, if you're smart, you'll save that, which I'm going to do. And then you'll also want to write down your password. Oops. Now, I'm doing all of this in real time. I could make a slicker video, but I wanted you to see that just going through it quickly, this is not something that is a super hard thing for you to get done. So there's continue. It says save. They've sent a message, so now we go to the email and confirm that it's there. Now I'm going to pull up here on this screen really quick. There's my message. It's wordpress.com. Activate. Click here to confirm. Now I've confirmed. I have no idea what all of that stuff. Alright, so now we've confirmed that. We're continuing. And we have all of this. Now it says upload a site icon. You can do that. You don't have to. Create a tagline. Do this for easy points in my class. We're not going to add a custom address because that's giving them money. We're going to select public because I'm going to need to be able to see your website. And you can update, once you get your website built, you can change all of this stuff that you want to. So we're going to save. And now we're going to go over here to the left-hand side where it says view site. We're going to view the site. Okay, so here I have this that I typed in, this that I typed in, and it picked a layout for me. Now I'm on my home page. I have home. I have a contact page. So if you wanted to put your contact information, this is where people would put in information to contact you. So they have your website. If someone comes to your website and enters something in here, it'll get emailed to you. If you want to keep a blog, it's already set for you to create a blog. You can edit all of this stuff as you go along. We're going to edit the home page, and then we're going to be done for the moment. So here's the home page, and I'm just going to hit edit. It opens up to a very simple place where I can edit stuff. Okay, so I can add a title there if I want. I don't want to. I right post there. And next. And see, it walks through and tells you how everything works. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a picture. I asked for a picture of you so I can learn names and that sorts of thing. And also because if you're going to have a website about yourself, having at least one picture of you is a good idea. So we'll click on media. And there's nothing here for me, right? This is stuff that they put in. So what I want to do is get the website or get the picture from my desktop. Remember, I had a picture right here already. So I want to get that picture. And put it in here. I think you can drag and drop it, but instead of dragging and drop it, I'm just going to say add new, and I'm just going to click on it. So now it's in here. It automatically turned it right side up for me. And now I have a picture, and I've already selected it. See that one there? So I put insert. Now there's a picture of me in front of the Bellagio. So I'm going to put in here Dr. Thomas Nelson. And then I'm going to go over here after the picture's over and say, a little about me. Here is where you might put in the stuff you were asked to, right? Okay, so there's all of that. I'm going to select update. So now this page should be ready to go. If we go to wordpress.com, it should be ready. So let's visit it. I'm going to visit it in a new window, or new tab, I mean, and we'll see if it shows up as it's supposed to. Alright, so here we're on the home page. It's kind of grayed out. Home page, Dr. Thomas Nelson. There's a picture of me, and there's where I put in my stuff. So we're done. We've just created a website. We went from not having a WordPress account to having a published web page that if you go to management345 wordpressdemo.wordpress.com, you'll see that page, at least until I delete it. So that is the entire process. If you follow those steps, you will end up with a web page. Beyond that, you can personalize it in any way you want. You'll be able to change out all of this stuff. You'll be able to change out the graphics. You'll be able to remove and change this picture. You can change this text, I believe. There's all sorts of stuff that you can fool around with to make a web page that's uniquely about you. And then if you choose to, you can write more stuff about your life and whatever here. So that's the whole process. I hope that's been helpful to you, and if not, well, I tried. Bye, y'all.